It happened last night. Hey guys, welcome back to sa akin channel. So for this video, I will be teaching you how to play Eho Girl by Kolohe on a ukulele. So requested song pa ito ni Kedi Alemo and Squagger. So salamat sa request ng kanta. So first grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So una tayo sa intro. So intro first na chord ay C. Okay, ganyan, down lang. Then next ito ay first or open string ng C. Then second fret, then open string ng E. Okay? Then after nyan ay F na chord. Okay? Then open string ng E. Then second fret ng C, then open string. Then after ito ay G na chord. Then open string ng C. Okay? Then ulit na naman. So after nito, after ng F, open string ng E, open string ng C, open string ng A, then chord na G. Okay. Then after nito ay open string ng E, then open string ng C. Then balik na naman sa open string ng A, then G. Then balik na naman. Okay? Balik gagawin nyo yun twice. Then after nyan ay chord na A minor. Then G. Then second fret ng G na string. Second fret ng C. Open string ng C. Okay? Okay naman. Then G. So, yun ang intro. So, balik tayo. It happened last night. Then sa verse ay C, D minor, G. Gagawin ito twice. Then after nyan ay F, G, then A minor, then balik naman sa F, then G. Then for the strumming pattern, ang gagamitin natin dito ay down up. Okay, down, up, then mute, down, up, mute. happened last night, about 10 to 11 when I first laid eyes on you. Starting in line into cloud 777, it was just like heaven, dream come true. Standing in the right place at the right time. And you're this Ehu girl, cause I cry, cause you're my pretty. Sa chorus ay paulit-ulit lang ang C, F, G. And you're this Ehu girl, cause I cry, cause you're my pretty little Ehu girl. You made me fall in love, got my happy little world, and now it needs cooling up. You set my heart on fire, and now I don't know what to do. You set my heart on fire, and now I'm so in love with you, my girl. Say I'm feeling it now, something I never felt. My heart's so hot, I think I'm gonna melt somehow. Then pagkatapos ng second chorus, C, D minor. So gagawin yan 3 times, then F and G. A little air floats in the air, shining eyes reflect the skies, and little smile burns up my flame, but I don't know your name, and I guess I call my little air girl. La 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 la. That's my little world, and now it needs cooling up. Set my heart on fire, and now I don't know what to do. I set my heart on fire, and now I'm so in love with you, my girl. So more or less yun lang ang mga chord progressions na ginamit na kanta. So salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.